If your Ford Escape's USB ports have stopped charging or syncing, don't head to the dealer just yet. Statistically, most Ford connectivity issues are caused by software glitches rather than hardware failure. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to identify the exact cause of your dead port. The first and easiest fix is a soft reset of the sync system using the physical radio buttons. If a reset doesn't work, we need to look at physical issues like blown fuses or bad cables. Check your manual for the specific media hub fuse, which is often located in the cabin fuse panel. Distinguishing between a software bug and a dead component will save you hours of troubleshooting. Most fixes cost under $20, but a full hub replacement can run over $100. If the soft reset fails, a master reset is the last software step before replacing parts. Make sure you have basic trim tools and compressed air before attempting to pull the hub. Remember to always try a brand new cable before assuming your Escape's hardware is broken. That is how you get your Ford Escape USB ports back online. Safe driving and stay connected.